Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial, I want to talk to you about why you should think of Act like your car. When you buy a car, one of the things that's going to happen is the salesperson never says to you, you know what, make sure you get an oil change. Well, maybe they do. They don't tell you where to buy gas. They don't tell you what roads to travel down. They don't tell you about potholes or traffic patterns. They don't get into any of that. They've sold you the car. That was their goal. That was what they've accomplished. That's all they really care about. To a certain degree, when Act software is sold, that was the goal, selling Act. But I'm an Act certified consultant. I've been using it a long time. And what I do that's a little bit different is I try to teach people things they need to think about when they buy their car or when they buy Act CRM. Your car requires maintenance. You need oil changes. You need to replace the tires. You need to avoid potholes. You need to do certain things. Well, one of the things I've never felt Act has done a good job at is making their customers aware of the fact that there's maintenance that should be done. And maintenance can be managed in a variety of ways. And I'm going to give you an overview, but I think this is worth really talking about one-on-one for your situation. So I'll give you an overview, but reach out to me so I can be a little more exact and specific with your needs and what you do. For example, in Act Premium Cloud, over here on the left-hand side, we have tools. Also, this little blue bar here, I'm going to shrink this in by clicking on the little arrow, but I wanted to show you the tools area was the wrench. That's the shortcut. I'm going to shrink this in. Then I'm going to come into the tools area and show you a couple things you should know. So inside of here, this is a list of all kinds of different things you can do in Act. But what I'm going to focus on is the database tools. And I'm going to click on that and it narrows down to just these items. There are different things in here you can take a look at. One of them is check and repair, which I'll show in another tutorial. One of them is copy, move, act, contact data, remove old data. And this is the one I'm going to feature right now, remove old data. I clicked on this, and when I have this box pop up, I can remove old data. Now, what does that mean? I can take old notes or histories or activities or document tab entries or campaign results older than a specific number of days. So for example, this is this is just a demo database. There's not a lot in here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to check all of these so you can see what's going to happen once I click OK. So I'm not going to remove anything right now. What's going to happen is once I click OK, which I just did, it's going to show me what's going to be cleared and ask me if I'm certain I want to clear this data. Cleared activities, histories, notes. Now, this is the thing. Before you do this, what I recommend strongly that you do is create an archived copy of your Act data. So in other words, create a backup of your database before you remove data from your database. So let's say it's archived and it's March of 2026 and you call it that, archive March 2026. So you have that old database with all your data. So for historic purposes, if you ever need to refer back to say a note or a history for something 10 years ago, it's going to be in the archive. So it's there in case you need it. But by cleaning up your Act database, it keeps things running smoothly. I've seen Act databases where if you have a lot of old activities in there, and believe it or not, I've seen people who have had activities that are 20 years old that are just sitting there behind the scenes, and that can slow down Act. It's sort of the pothole you want to avoid. So the point I'm trying to make here is there's different kinds of maintenance you can do in Act. This is one of them, and I urge you to take a look at this. But before you clear anything, have your safety net, make a backup, have an archive copy. And then you can feel confident when you're doing this to maintain Act and make it run well like a good tune-up. This stuff is going to work better. Okay, my friends, my name is Tony Holowitz. Please reach out to me on this matter because it's really important and it's vital you know how to work with this safely. Be well. Bye now.